my channel once again. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I made this beautiful jacket. It's so super easy to make and it takes just 5 minutes to 10 minutes of your time and you are good to go. Just have a good look. Yeah, so that's what it looks like, and you can wear it in different ways. Like you can actually use belt as well to hold it. You can use just any fabric you feel will not fray when you're cutting for this your nose sew. So what we need, we need just scissors, our fabric, measuring tape, and of course our top. This is a sweatshirt fabric, and you can use jersey knit fabric, but I just prefer this one because when I'm cutting it, it doesn't fray. So if you want to buy something that you want to use, like a fabric you want to use, make sure you buy something that doesn't fray, because if it does fray, it means you need to sew it. But what we are doing is a no-sew jacket. So the measurement for my sewing for this fabric is 58 inches by 62 inches. Mind you, I have folded it into two already, yeah? So the total measurement I'm giving you is an overall, measurement. Because it has been folded into two, I am going to go ahead and fold it again into 4. So now that it is folded into 4, I'm going to go ahead and measure out the length that I want my jacket to be. So the measurement that I want is 23 inches. So all you need to do is just keep measuring round 23 inches. Okay, I'll use white. 23 inches. We just keep going. 23 inches. You keep going like that. So we keep going. 23. So I hope you can see my marking. I'll make it clearer. So this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off . So just take your time as you're cutting off what you need. Don't be in a hurry to cut. So now that I'm done cutting off my excess. So this is what we have. So I'm going to open it. Now this is what we have. We have this. So this is what we have. So I'm going to get the measurement that I want for I'm going to get my measurement. I'm going to measure down here. I'm going to measure down. I'm going to measure down 12 inches here for my collar. So this is 12 inches for my collar. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that is my collar measurement. And I need to take my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 48 centimeters. So 48 centimeters divided by 4 is 12. So I'm going to measure down from here My shoulder divided by 4 is 12 inches. Is 12 inches. So this is 12 inches. And my armpit, sorry, my, what do I call here? My armhole is, my hole is when you put your tape measurement round your armpit measured round from your shoulder. So my armhole is 10 inches. So I'm going to create a circle here. It's just not too big, not too small. Where my armhole is. And my armhole, my measurement is 10 inches. And I created just tiny space, 2.5 inches circle space here. And I'm going to use this space to cut off. That will be the space where my hands will go through. So we're going to cut it round like this and cut it this side out. So we have this. So now we are basically done.